I'm with Jackson Coe, engineer with ConEd. Hello, Jackson. How are you?
Good. How are you?
All right. So tell us about your team.
Well, with the ConEd Electric Dragons, we've been doing this 14 years. We're a proud sponsor of the Hong Kong Dragon Boat Festival. We're always here to have fun. We look forward to having a good competition each and every year.
Electric, that's because?
Well, it's ConEd and we are the utility provider of New York City. Reliable and powerful.
All right, all makes sense. And tell us some of the good things about recycling and taking care and being more careful about your electrical usage.
Oh, well, I mean, ConEd is all about going green. So we promote heavily on conserving power, green power, and that's a big model, especially with energy consumption being such a big issue, especially in New York City. So we're always looking for ways to create energy efficiently, going green, cleaner energy, makes for a better environment for New York City and the world.
All right, what's good news for you?
Good news is good news for us, always.